Billing module. The billing for the hospital can be added and managed here. Log into your account and click on the billing icon from the left side menu to view and manage the billing details. You can view the complete list of the invoices of your patients here. A summary report of all the invoices is available at the bottom with the total, paid, unpaid and overpaid details. This search bar can be used to search and select doctors or patients. This search bar can be used by administrators to search for hospital doctors and users and search the health records created by them. Click on the ellipsis icon and select New Receipt from the drop-down to create a new invoice. You can search and select a patient from the drop-down here, and the provider can be searched and selected here. Click on the Add Item or Service button. You can enter the item or service description here. The pricing details can be entered here. The quantity details can be recorded here and the amount field is automatically populated. If the doctor feels that this particular item could be used in frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiply labels. Click on the Save button to save details. Click on the ellipsis icon and select Favorites from the drop-down to view the favorite item or service code stored and labels created. Click on ellipsis icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon will enable you to easily import the information into the module. Click on the ellipsis icon and select the item or service code option from the drop-down to view the codes added or imported from the settings page. Codes can be added from the folder from here too. Clicking on the Add icon will enable you to easily import the information into the module. Click on the ellipsis icon and select the service charges or tax option to view the details added from the setting page. Codes can be added to the folder from here too. Clicking on the Add icon will enable you to easily import the information into the module. Once a service tax is added, the percentage is calculated for the already generated invoice and added to the receipt. Clicking on the Add Payment button to store the payment details. The payment type can be updated here. The amount can be entered here and a description can be added if required. Once the payment is added, the due will be updated. To make an additional payment, click on the Add Payment button and update the details. If the complete payment has been made, the due will be updated nil. The Notes field can be used to store any notes-related information. Click on the Print button to print the invoice. Click on the ellipsis icon and select Delete from the drop-down to delete the invoice. This is how the billing module works.